Hello! Today you'll be working on your Unit 2 study guide. And as you work on this study guide, I want you to remember that the problems on the study guide are very similar to the ones you will see on your Unit 2 test. But you didn't hear from me. You didn't hear from me. That was my whisper voice. I wasn't, oh, did I say that? What? So you know clearly that you should always work carefully and that today, especially careful work on this study guide will help you feel successful and set up for success on your test. We're going to do the first problem together. It asks that you draw all the arrays for 12. So I'm actually going to jump ahead before I go ahead and draw all the arrays. And I'm going to go ahead and do number 2 first. On my page it says letter B, but on yours it should say number 2. And I'm going to list all the factors of 12 because once I know the factors, it will be very easy for me to get all the arrays. Remember, the factors are the numbers being multiplied to equal a certain product. Then whenever I hear factors, I'm going to think rainbow method. That will help me make sure I get every single factor. In this case, every single factor of 12. So let's go ahead and get started with our rainbow method. We're going to start off at 1. Is 1 a factor? Of course, 1 is always a factor because 1 times 12 would give you 12. So I'm going to put my 1 and 12. Then I ask myself, okay, if 12 is my product, is 2 a factor? It's an even number, so 2 is a factor. 2 times what equals 12? 2 times 6. Beautiful. Then I have to say, is 3 a factor? Yes, 3 is a factor of 12. 3 times what? 3 times 4 equals 12. And then I would ask, is 4 a factor? Yes, but I already have it. We got to catch them all. We did it. We found every single factor of 12. So if you want, you could have your rainbow to connect to the factor pairs. That's supposed to go all the way to 12. Oh, my pen's not working. There we go. Okay, so now that I've listed the factors, that's going to make it much easier for me when I go to draw my arrays. I know I want to have an array that's a 1 by 12 array. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that up on here for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Beautiful. This is my 1 by 12. I might even want to label that or get 1 by 12 or 12 by 1, either way. Then I am going to draw the reverse fact, the 12 by 1. So another array will be 12 going across like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that would be my, well, I guess actually, I think I should have said, doesn't matter because it's a turnaround fact, so it's fine. But I think technically I'd say 12 rows with 1 in each row would be a 12 by 1, and this 1 row with 12 in that row would be a 1 by 12. However, we won't take off points on the test. We do, of course, though, want you to show both possible arrays, the vertical and the horizontal. So make sure you're showing the turnaround fact at least. Okay, so now we've taken care of the 1 and the 12, right? But we still have these other factor pairs left to do. So I want you to pause the video, draw your arrays for the other factor pairs, and play when you're ready to see the answer. Welcome back. So you're checking your arrays and they should look like this. You should also have a 2 by 6 array. Oops, I almost erased it. 2 by 6 array and a 6 by 2 array, a 3 by 4 array, and a 4 by 3. So double check that you have all of those and then carry on with the review guide, working carefully, reading all the directions, and doing your best math work. Good luck.